This is how to factory reset, hard reset. This is the Sky Elite R55. Has the circle panel in the back for the cameras, has the speaker vent that are like sideways S's, and this is how you factory reset it. We're going to hold volume up and power at the same time. Hold volume up first and then power. We're holding them at the same time. It's going to take a few seconds, and we're waiting for the little menu to pop up in the center of the screen. There it is. Okay, with volume keys only, we're going to use volume up to select, and we want the recovery mode. So volume up only. There it is. Now, with volume down is okay. Press volume down when the cursor is at the recovery mode. So now we're going to press volume down. And it's going to take a few more seconds, and we're looking for the no command fallen Android. Just a few more seconds. Oh no, it goes right to the Android recovery menu. Very good. That skips a step. All right, now we're at the Android recovery menu for the Sky Elite R55, and we want to scroll down with volume to wipe data factory reset. Press OK, power. One more time, wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. And we want to choose the factory data reset and then press OK with power. And you'll see down here, confirm that the data wipe is complete. It's now safe to reboot the system. Keep in mind, if you've set up your Elite R55 with your Google or Gmail account, you will 100% still need your Google or Gmail account to log back into the phone and use your Sky Elite R55. If this has helped you, please like, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.